Hello guys, well, welcome back to whatever this game is. This game is about making foods of how good or how bad. Now let's try it. Let's do this dude. So, why is some pepper going to be there? Okay, go on. Okay, there we go. Okay, there we go. Okay, okay, come on. Time to boil this. Put some pepper in it. What? And much salt. Come on, go, 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 go. Come on. Hot sauce. Okay. There we go. Leave that right there. Come on. Okay. A fish. It's time. Come on, let's go. Okay. I don't care, I'm just putting crap on there. Ketchup. Hot sauce. Lemon. Salt. Pepper. Okay. 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 Put that in there. Put that in there. Let's see. Oh, that's just nasty. I like it. Come on. How does he like it? Oh my god. Put that right there. Okay, come on, come on. Oh yes. We are gonna make the best. Okay. Okay. Come on, come on, come on. Make this bad. Make this bad. Put some salt in there. Oh yeah, it's gonna be terrible. More? Yes, there's more. This should be good. Oh, this should be nasty. We're gonna make smoothies with about. Oh wait, no, not yet. Not yet. I just thought of something, everybody. We are going to cut this mess apart. Shrimp. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. Okay. Yeah, of course we're gonna need to cut the fish. Boom. Okay. And this. Boom. 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 Okay. Yeah, I didn't mean to do that. Come on, go. Okay, fine. Let's see how you like it. Anyway. He, he likes it. That disgusts me. Wait, that's it? Put all of this in here. That should be good. Wait, no. Go. I don't think that'll be enough. Oh, I completely forgot about this. Okay. Oh, dang it. You know what? Okay, we're gonna do her. Oh, God, we gotta think of something, guys. We have to think. Yeah, with your smiley face. Okay, that. Come on. Okay, guys, we're gonna boil this. Boil, and boil. Okay. Go, come on, go, quickly. Quickly. Okay. Okay, and now we're gonna fry all this. Oh wait, froze a little bit. Okay, there. Oh God. Okay, bear waiting. Done. That one's done. That one's done. Okay, it's done. Oh. Okay. Come on. There you go. Let's go. Okay. This. Okay. Okay. We're going to do that. Like I wish we could. Oh wait, I got a good idea. more meat. And some shrimp. She's gonna drink it raw. Go, come on. Okay. Okay. Put that in there. I'm chopping up the meat. Okay, that's good. Okay, there. Now, let's do this, guys. A little bit of water. Put the meat in there. This. You know what? I really don't care. Just go. That looks absolutely nasty. Fill it up. Okay, now drink it. Oh, she doesn't like it. It's good. Okay, guys. Leave a like below and subscribe. See you guys.